Hello Kishu in your holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. My friends, this video is going to be very interesting, very entertainmentful, because in this video we are going to discuss the future of the Kishu. Kishu will make you millionaire or not? Kishu will give us profit in the future or not? Will give you loss in the future or not? Let's discuss, my friends. But before starting this video, please I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. If you subscribe my channel, so absolutely you will get the latest update about cryptocurrencies market. My friends, the currently and latest price of the Kishu it is time in the market is very low, very low. That's why, my friends, you can see here that the price of the Kishu is low. My friends, I know that at this time the situation of the Kishu is bad. Negative changes over in the Kishu, but the price is going low. That's why I recommend for everyone to please buy more and more. My friends, very soon the Kishu will start pump. Very soon, same like the Shiba Inu, as you can see here in the previous month, the Shiba Inu is a trending coin. Positive 400, positive 200, positive changes occur in the Kishu in the last one day. Same like that. Well, Kishu will become very soon, same like that. My friends, the current price is low, so that's why I recommend for everyone to please invest more and more in a Kishu. And absolutely, if you hold Kishu for 1 year, for 6 months, so you will get a high amount of profit, and there's a chance that they will make you millionaire. That's why personally I believe that Kishu will give us profit. And my prediction about Kishu is also positive, because I know that Kishu Shiba is the fastest moving cryptocurrencies in the market. Now at this time the situation of the Kishu is going wrong, the price is fast down, but I know that the future of the Kishu is bright. One day, and especially, my friends, in the last half month there is a lot of chances for every coin, for every cryptocurrencies in the start of month, that they will possibilities, my friends. We can't see about the future, but possibilities to the price start pump. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Kishu? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Station for more news and updates videos.